Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mini Informative Ideas. So today I will give you some information for career. What is base course for science students? The base course are super exciting and varied. Here are some top options. Engineering, this is a classic choice offering specializations like computer science, mechanical, electrical and civil engineering. Medicine, if you are passionate about healthcare, considers MBBS, BDS or nursing. Data science and analytics, this field is booming and science ethicists are storming in. Biotechnology, a dynamic field combining biology and cutting-edge technology. Computer science, a lucrative course with room for innovations. And digital marketing, a creative and analytics balance perfect for science students. Pure science, if you are fascinated by the theoretical sides, considers unavailable in physics, chemistry, biology or mathematics. Some institutes that offer these courses: Indian Institutes of Technology (IITS) and All India Institutes of Medical Science (AIMS), National Institute of Technology (NITS), and Digital Adda for digital marketing. Remember to choose a course that aligns with your interests and career goals. What is base course of art students? Art students, the best courses are super exciting and varied. Here are some top options. Creative fields, sound engineering, a creative and technical fields with a salary range of 7 lakhs to 20 lakhs per year. Graphic designs combine creative and technical skills with a salary range of 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs per year. Digital marketing, a high demand fields with a salary range of 4 lakhs to 10 lakhs per year. Professional course, Bachelor of Business Administration BBA, a 3 years degree with a salary range of 3 lakhs से 5 lakh per year, यानी कि 5 lakh per year. Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communications BHMS, a 3-4 years degree with a salary range of 4 lakhs to 8 lakhs per year. Bachelor of Fine Arts BFA, a 4 years degree with a salary range of 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs per year. Specialized course, Event Management, a dynamic field with a salary range of 6 lakhs to 20 lakhs per year. Fashion Design, a creative field with a salary range of 4 lakhs to 10 lakhs per year. Psychologically and Counseling, a rewarding field with a salary range of 6 lakhs of 18 lakhs per year. This course offers strong career prospects and high salaries. Remember to choose a course that aligns with your interests and career goals. What is best course? Commerce students. Commerce students, the best course are super exciting and varied. Here are some top options. Professional course, Chartered Accountant CA, a prestigious course with high salary, potentials 10 lakhs and job security. Company Security CS, ideal for students interested in law, corporate strategy and administration 6 lakh. Cost and Management Accountancy CMN focuses on strategic financial management and cost accounting 6 lakhs. Degree courses, Bachelor of Commerce, a popular undergraduate programs covering accounting, finance and business studies. The Bachelor of Business Administration BBA, ideal for students interested in management and administrative roles, 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Bachelor of Management Studies BMS, designed for students aiming for leadership and managerial positions, 3 to 5 lakhs. Diploma courses, Diploma in Digital Marketing, a high demand courses with excellent pay, potentials 3 to 10 lakhs. Diploma in Banking and Finance, adults for students looking to work in the banking sectors, 3 to 6 lakh. Diploma in Financial Accounting, focus of financial aspects of business operations, 3 to 6 lakh. This course offers strong career prospects, high salaries and growth opportunity. Remember to choose a course that aligns with your interests and career goals. PMT competitions rules vary depending on the specific competitions. Here are some general guidelines for different PMT competitions. Premier Music International competitions PMIC rules. Eligibility open to non-professionals with age categories ranging from 6 years old to adult. Submissions, underwriting videos, recordings of performance with a minimum duration of 60 seconds and maximum duration of 10 minutes, and genres classical, jazz, pop, rock, Judging criteria is experience, instruments, category, and genres. PMT exams rules: India's eligibility: Indian nationals, non-residential Indian persons of Indian origin, and observed citizen of India. Age limits: 50 to 25 years old, and with relaxations for SC, ST, OBC, and physically challenged candidates. Exam format: multiple choice questions, 3 hours duration. Marketing schemes for MacPop: correct answers 1 marks of incorrect answers, and PTIPM competitions rules: eligibility: Malaysians are internationals are divided into the categories: diamond innovators, gold innovators, and star innovators. Submissions: poster and video presentation 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Themes: humor, technology, history, space, and education. Judging criteria: creativity, message, clarity, and impact. IIT rules are pretty comprehensive, covering everything from eligibility criteria to academic regulations. Let's break it down. Eligibility criteria: you must have qualified class 12 or equivalent boards exam with a minimum of 5 subjects and secured at least 75%. Aggregate marks: 65% for SC, ST, and PWD candidates. Mathematics, physics, and chemistry are compulsory subjects, and you are eligible to appear for G Advanced only if you are among the top 2,50,000 successful, and candidates include sub-categories in G Main. Academic regulations: IIT Bombay has a categorization system for academic studying with categories ranging from 1 to 6, and the Cumulative Performance Index (CPI) is calculated at the end of every semester. Students must register for at least 18 credits each semester. Attendance and grades: attendance below 80% results in a DX grade, requiring you to repeat the courses, and the grade scales range from AP Expressions Performance to FR. Re-exams are conducted for students with FF grades with a maximum grade of DD. Other key rules: the best of 5 subjects marks rules applies for CBSE students. IIT are seeking autonomy similar to IIMs to have full control over policies and operations. Government examinations rules: government exam rules vary depending on the specific exam and conducting body. Here are some key rules for various government exams. Eligibility criteria: age limit: most government exams have an age limit of 18 to 13 years with relaxations for reserved categories like SC, ST, OBC, and PWD candidates. Education qualification requirements vary, but most exams require a graduate degree or equivalent. Exam pattern: SSC, CHSL 2 tiers online and computer-based test, and offline and pen and paper-based test. SSC CGL 4 tiers, computer-based examinations, computer-based examinations, pen and paper mode, and descriptive papers, and computer. Professional stage, skill stage. UPSC Civil Service exam 3 stages: preliminary, mains, and interview. Marketing schemes: negative marketing main exams like SSC, CHSL, and SSC CGL have negative marketing for incorrect answer. Minimum qualifications mark: candidate must secure minimum qualifying marks in the each paper to be eligible for further stage. Reservations and relaxation: reserved categories relaxation in age limited education qualification and other concessions are provided for SC, ST, OBC, and PWD candidates. Ex-servicemen special concessions and reservations are available for ex-servicemen. Remember to check the official website of the conducting body the specific rule and update. Would you like more information on a particular government exams? Pre-medical test: this is a popular full form of PMT, especially in the context of medical interest exam in India. Professional management training: this full team form is used in the context of corporate training and development program. Photomechanical transfer: this full form is used in the context of printing and graphic design. Pacific marine training: this full form is used in the context of marine training program. Punjab medical test: this full form is used in the context of medical entrance exam in Punjab, India. IIT full form: the full form of Indian Institute of Technology. These are the premier institutions of higher education in India, known for their excellence in technology. So guys, ये इंफॉर्मेशन कैरियर की जो आपको दी गई उसको आप अपनी चॉइस से चूज़ करिए। और मेरी इस लॉन्ग वीडियो में इसका ये पार्ट 1 है जिसमें आपको इसकी कोर्सेज की जानकारी दी है। इसका पार्ट 2 में जॉब के विषय में जानकारी आपको मिलेगी और आप इसको पूरी तरह वॉच कीजिए और मुझे कमेंट कीजिए कि आपको ये कैसा लगा। थैंक यू सो मच।